Is the plastic in the ocean negatively impacting the environment? Ocean plastic is more complex than it appears. Only a small portion of debris is on the ocean's surface. It's not just the obvious things like bottles and straws, but also clothing and fabric. Plastic in the ocean can take up to hundreds of years to break down.
There is more to the issue than just plastic in the ocean. Thousands of plastic debris is floating all throughout the ocean, but what we should be concerned about is what we can't see. And that's the microplastic. Microplastic comes from everyday plastic materials like water bottles and plastic utensils. The plastic materials then get moved by ocean currents, and the little particles fall deep into the ocean where fishes then consume it and it gets into our sea salt. Because fish are consuming it, that means we are also consuming microplastic, which is one of the big issues of the matter.
Carelessness of managing plastic waste is a main cause of the pollution of rivers and oceans. Researchers have stated that fossil-based plastics are not biodegradable and stay in the environment for 450 or up to 1,000 years. There is currently more than 18 billion pounds of plastic flowing in the ocean annually. It is expected by the year 2050 that more plastic will be in the ocean than fish. There needs to be mandatory initiatives taking place in the economy for effective management of plastic waste.
Microplastic affects thousands of marine animals every year. Plastic that can't be broken down any further can accumulate inside organisms' stomachs and cause them to die of starvation. Ocean plastic increases every year, and change needs to be enforced. Plastic surrounds environments, making it hard for marine organisms to survive, and can also pose as traps. For example, plastic rings and bags can get caught around necks and limbs, which make it hard to survive. It's a plastic planet, and our oceans are polluted.
The health of our oceans are at stake. With the help of companies such as IKEA and HP, we can reduce approximately 12 million plastics within our oceans today. We tend to think of plastic as waste, but instead we should value it. We need your help, and that begins with you.
Be a part of the solution, not a part of the pollution.